In our NextGen caravans, we've got an area where we've got lots of switches. You've got some light switches, your stove, power point for when you're plugged into 240 volt power, and a USB 12 volt. This black switch is a black master switch. Switches everything off except the fridge and the TVs. So it's really good practice when you leave the caravan for any length of time. Switch that off. It switches off the pump. Pump doesn't work anymore, and all the lights and the oven, cooking appliances. And when you come back in, it's very simple to turn it all back on. It's really important to switch this black master switch off before you travel or before you leave the caravan for any length of time. If there's a problem and it doesn't switch everything off when you flick it off, it's purely because there's a setting wrong. If you come with me, your electrical controls will be under the main bed or in the front boot. Under here you've got a little light. This here is a battery protector. For the black switch, master switch to work, this must be in the off position. So if your black switch isn't working, come and check this first, put it in the off position and try again.